Well, welcome back. The day has arrived, and the first video I'm doing with my new Mavic Pro Platinum series is an unboxing video. So we're going to get right into this. I have not done anything with it. It's hard to hold off to do anything, but just cut the tape down here. And I think what I'm going to do is, before I really get into it, is bring the video in closer. So obviously I just cut the tape down here, which makes sure that the tape is also off the white box, because I think I'm going to have to remove that piece anyway. There we go. Let's go ahead and that pulls off of there. Looks like they have little pieces up here to just open up the top of the box. So that's that. Aha, there we go. Now we're like a suitcase, right? Now this is the Fly More combo, so obviously all the accessories you get with it as well. So there's the actual drone itself. There's the bag. There's a bunch of stuff in the bag, you can tell that. So I'll take that out. There's the Mavic Pro. Underneath the Mavic Pro, there's one battery, two batteries, and then the third battery is actually on the Mavic. So put that phone back there. Looks like everything's out of there now. It's right there. Get that out of the way. And then inside the case, let's see if there's anything up in here. Looks like one, two, I'll just pull them all out. Why not? Let's open it all the way up. Haha, geez, they're all in the cardboard sleeve. All right, didn't even take them out. So there's the two full sets of propellers. Obviously, one spare and one for the actual drone. So that's in that. Open up the top. There's all the instruction booklets and such. There's the charger, the strap for the actual pack itself. We have the controller, the foam pad that was actually resting on it. There's the 4x charger, I guess, for it. We have the actual car charger, as well as the home charger, and even the USB for the actual remote itself as well. So that let's see if there's anything up in here. What's up in here? Comes with a micro USB adapter and a USB-C adapter. A couple things of silica gel. Make sure you get rid of those properly. And that appears to be everything that comes with it. So just so you know, I'm an idiot, because the lightning cable is actually right here. It's actually already in it, because obviously most people have iPhones that are probably using this anyway. So they already have it pre-plugged into the controller specifically for that. So it does come with micro USB as well as USB-C, but the lightning cable is in there. So that's awesome. I was expecting to see it, I just didn't know where it was. So that is everything. Basically all the cables that you're going to need in order to do all the setup or to use everything is in the box. The controller itself does have two different ways to connect. So they have these little cables that go on the side connection. Does not come with a lightning cable. So if you have an iPhone or iPad, that's something that you're going to want to get. You can also use your actual, I believe you can use your stock cable as well. It's just going to be longer and hanging down and kind of stupid. But not to say it doesn't work. So that said, that's everything. And obviously I'm going to get everything charging up, make sure it's properly, because these are all probably dead. Yep, get those charging up. That's going to be the first thing I'm going to do, get all those going. And then it'll be time to try out this bad boy. So stay tuned for future videos here with not only the Mavic Pro Platinum, but a lot of accessories that I'm going to do reviews on this as well. So we'll see you on more videos in the future. See you guys.